The other kind of stress, the kind of stress that we're worried about creating healthcare problems, is the guy on the right who's got steam coming out of his ears and his hair's on end and he's pretty jittery, probably drinking coffee. So long-term stress, chronic stress, toxic stress, episodic stress leads to a host of healthcare issues that lead you down a bad road for health. So that's what we're going to try to avoid. Okay. So these are some of the types of stress that is in our life. What are our different life stressors? Obviously, right now, we're dealing with entire worldwide stressors. And the things that we think about are work and finances and toxic relationships, those people that you walk into a room and it makes your blood pressure go up. Family members, even though family members are a fabulous thing, some people have a dynamic that causes stress in the family. Our mindset and our life purpose and those changes that are happening right now, those are the types of stressors we think about. But you need to also realize that some of the environmental stressors that we have play a big part in the overall load of stress to our body, and we need to know how to deal with them. So, for example, we have more pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides in our environment than we've ever had in the history of the world. It's actually shown that 100% of breast milk in women, so women who are breastfeeding their babies, 100% of them have toxic chemicals in their breast milk. Some studies show like over 100 different kinds of toxic chemicals in breast milk, which is supposed to be the most pure thing ever. Our personal care products are causing toxic stress in our body. Electromagnetic fields. So we have appliances and cell phones and satellites around us at all times, and cell towers. All of those things cause stress to our physical system. Artificial light, we're going to talk about that in a little bit. Our water and air quality is very poor in some areas of the country. So even when it's raining on you, there are some things that are causing stress in the system. So again, it's about becoming resilient. And then I'm a chiropractor. So I think it's very important to talk about slips and falls, lack of exercise, repetitive motion activity, sleeping in weird positions, and poor quality of food. Those are all different things that cause stress too. So I'm just kind of setting up all of the things that can cause stress so that we can talk about how to some of the easy things that we can do to clear it up.